As a business owner or property manager in Washington, D.C., ensuring your commercial building is energy efficient, secure, and visually appealing is crucial to both your bottom line and the comfort of your employees or tenants. One of the most effective ways to achieve these goals is by investing in high-performance windows. High-performance windows offer numerous advantages over standard windows, making them a smart investment for any commercial property in the city. From energy savings and enhanced comfort to improved aesthetics and increased property value, high-performance windows deliver long-term benefits that make them an essential upgrade for any Washington, D.C. commercial building. Let's take a closer look at the key benefits of high-performance windows. Energy efficiency and reduced utility costs. One of the primary reasons businesses invest in high-performance windows is to improve energy efficiency. Commercial buildings in Washington, D.C. often experience fluctuating indoor temperatures due to the city's diverse weather conditions, from hot, humid summers to cold, snowy winters. Windows play a significant role in how well a building retains or loses heat, and old or inefficient windows can lead to energy waste. Insulation. High-performance windows, such as double or triple pane windows, feature multiple layers of glass with insulating gas in between. These windows significantly reduce heat transfer, keeping your building cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Low-E coatings. Many high-performance windows come with low-E, low emissivity, glass coatings that reflect heat back into the building during the winter months and block heat from entering during the summer. This helps reduce the load on heating and cooling systems, leading to lower utility bills. By upgrading to high-performance windows, your building will require less energy to maintain a comfortable temperature, resulting in significant savings on heating and cooling costs over time. Additionally, energy-efficient windows are an attractive feature for environmentally conscious tenants, making your building more desirable. Improved comfort for tenants and employees. Comfort is key to creating a productive and positive environment for your employees and tenants. High-performance windows help maintain a more consistent indoor temperature, eliminating hot or cold spots near the windows. This is especially important for offices, retail spaces, and apartments where occupants may be affected by uncomfortable temperature fluctuations. Reduced drafts. By minimizing the amount of air that escapes or enters the building, high-performance windows eliminate drafts near windows, ensuring a more comfortable indoor climate year-round. Sound insulation. High-performance windows are often designed with soundproofing properties. This is particularly beneficial for commercial buildings in urban areas like Washington, D.C., where street noise from traffic or construction can be a significant distraction. These windows help reduce noise pollution, creating a quieter, more pleasant indoor environment. When your building is more comfortable, it contributes to higher tenant satisfaction, increased employee productivity, and a better overall experience for anyone using the space. Enhanced aesthetics and curb appeal. The aesthetic appearance of your commercial property can significantly affect its appeal to potential tenants, customers, and visitors. High-performance windows come in a variety of styles and finishes that can enhance the exterior of your building and improve its curb appeal. available in contemporary designs, such as floor-to-ceiling windows or large glass panels, that provide an open, airy look, while also allowing natural light to flood the interior. Clearer views. Modern high-performance windows often feature clearer glass that enhances both the exterior and interior views. This can be especially important for office buildings and retail spaces, where natural light and an open feel contribute to a more welcoming environment. Upgrading to high-performance windows enhances your building's appearance, making it more attractive to prospective tenants and customers. It's a worthwhile investment that will add to the long-term value of your property. Improved security is a top concern for commercial building owners. High-performance windows are built to be more durable and resistant to breakage than traditional windows, offering additional protection for your property. Impact-resistant glass. Many high-performance windows feature laminated or tempered glass, which is much harder to break than standard glass. These windows can help protect your property from break-ins, severe weather, or accidental damage. Reinforced frames and locking mechanisms. High-performance windows often come with reinforced frames and advanced locking systems that enhance the security of your building. With more durable and secure windows, you can feel confident that your commercial property is better protected from external threats. Increased property value. Investing in high-performance windows not only provides immediate savings and comfort, but also contributes to the long-term value of your commercial property. Buildings with energy-efficient features, modern designs, and enhanced security tend to appreciate in value over time. Attract higher-paying tenants. Tenants are often willing to pay more for spaces that offer energy efficiency, comfort, and modern amenities. By installing high-performance windows, you can increase the rental value of your property and attract high-quality tenants. Higher resale value. If you plan to sell your property in the future, the addition of high-performance windows can increase its resale value. Buyers are willing to pay more for a building that is energy efficient, low maintenance, and secure. By upgrading your windows, you're not only making a positive impact on your current tenants, but also setting your property up for future financial success. Environmental benefit. In addition to the personal benefits, high-performance windows contribute to broader environmental sustainability. By reducing energy consumption and lowering the building's carbon footprint, you're doing your part to combat climate change and contribute to a greener, more sustainable future. Reduced greenhouse gas emissions. As your building consumes less energy, it leads to a decrease in carbon dioxide emissions associated with heating, cooling, and electricity use. Sustainable materials. Many high-performance windows are made with recyclable materials and are designed to last longer than traditional windows, reducing the need for frequent replacements and minimizing waste. By installing high-performance windows, you are improving your building's energy efficiency while also contributing to a cleaner environment. Conclusion. High-performance windows offer numerous benefits for commercial buildings in Washington, D.C., including energy savings, increased comfort, enhanced aesthetics, improved security, and long-term property value. Whether you're looking to attract tenants, reduce utility costs, or simply create a more comfortable working environment, upgrading to high-performance windows is an investment that pays off. Not only will your building be more efficient and attractive,